Hi, I'm Lucas from LucasGrowsBest, and today I'm going to show you how I start my tomatoes for amazing germination. Let's get started. First, you need to get some tomato seeds. This variety is called Roma VF, a classic paste tomato that is supposedly resistant to verticillium and fusarium wilts. Now you need vessels in which to put potting soil. I use the cheapest plastic cups I can find at the dollar store and cut holes in the bottom for drainage, as this will help prevent root rot, which can quickly kill your tomatoes. A lot of gardeners seem to like these red party cups, but really anything works. I find that plastic is ideal though, because it prevents the soil from drying out too fast. Soil time. I use my custom potting soil mix, but really any bag labeled potting soil should work fine. I don't use mix designated for seed starting, as it's usually pretty expensive for the amount, and I get amazing results with regular potting soil. Only fill your vessel about 3 inches. The reason you should fill it so shallow is that you want the seeds to be closer to the heating mat to increase temperatures, which will turbocharge germination rates.
Turbo! 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 No!
I'm pretty sure my neighbors think I'm crazy. Now sprinkle a bunch of seeds on the surface. Try to spread them out as best as you can. Now sprinkle on just enough soil to cover all the seeds. Give the top a good old misting with a spray bottle, but be careful not to displace the soil covering. Don't forget to label your container, or you'll be in for a surprise come harvest time. Now it's time to crank up the heat. Tomato seeds germinate best with temperatures consistently around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Heating mats are perfect for achieving this. Now place some plastic over the container to create a mini greenhouse that will maintain consistent moisture. Again, this is really going to help boost your germination. With this method, you should see sprouts in around 4 to 14 days. Temperature, moisture levels, variety, age of seeds, viability of seeds, and luck are all factors which will influence your germination times and percentages. As soon as you see sprouts, it's critical to give them sufficient light to get them growing strong and healthy. Grow lights work best, but sometimes you can just get away with light from a sunny windowsill. Every year, I grow lots of tomatoes in my front yard urban garden. I just love seeing my plants flourish throughout the season and produce heaps of colorful, delicious
Put that in the video.
So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you found it somewhat useful. I know it's probably a bit late now because a lot of you guys probably already have your stuff planted, but I just wanted to make this video and put it out there. Maybe it'll help some of you, and if not, you can probably use some tips from it for next year. I just want to apologize. I haven't been uploading nearly as much as I've been wanting to lately. I've been having some major procrastination issues. One of the main reasons for that is that I'm kind of on the fence between if I want a gardening channel or a comedy channel. I really think my passion lies with gardening as an actual hobby, but for an actual YouTube channel, I think I would enjoy having a more, kind of channel where I can basically just do whatever, like funny comedy skits and also maybe some pranks, public social experiments. I'm torn. I can't decide, which channel I want to put my energy into. And so I apologize for that. But I got some new videos coming for Lucas Grows Best very soon. They're going to be a lot better than, the past 10 videos I put out. I've been putting out really crappy videos lately, and to me it's not even acceptable. I don't even know how I could even upload them, honestly. I'll probably end up taking some down, but yeah, thanks for watching. And I've also been working full-time lately, 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, but it's no excuse. I have a subscriber base and I really want to make videos, but I've just been procrastinating so much. So yeah, see you guys next time, hopefully. And that's it for today. Bye.